I love making it really simple for you guys to find the products that I use by listing them in my caption. I want to make it a little bit easier. From now on, I'm going to be linking everything on my Shop My. All you have to do is click in my bio under Shop My. Whatever video you see, you can click on that. Underneath will be all of the products that I use for that specific video, shades and everything. I just want to make it a little bit more accessible and just easier. You just click in the products right there. You guys can still ask me for dupes or whatever in the captions, but just wanted to let you know that I'm going to do that from now on. Let's get cute for dinner. I'm starting off with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich cream in with the Hourglass skin tint in the shade 5. I have a code for you for Hourglass if you guys are interested in a little discount. You can do Andrea 10 at checkout. Just blend this out, brightening it up with the NARS Creamy Concealer in Medium Custard and the OG in the shade Linden 1.75, and I'm just gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. Going with a little bit of contour, I'm using the Bubble Elsa lip contour on my nose in the shade Medium Light. I love using this on my lips. It literally makes them look so full. It's so good. Patrick Top nose contour brush. Get in here. Benefit Hoola bronzer to warm up everything else. It's a Patrick Ta contour brush and I love it. Going with the Jones Road Beauty Miracle Balm in the shade Pinky Bronze. I grabbed some and I just mix it in the back of my hand, and I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my cheeks. Also going to apply some on my lids. Hourglass Leopard Ambient Lighting Palette, which has all of these really beautiful colors. And I'm going to go in with this pink and this guy on the high points of my cheeks, and then bring it into my eye. The Bubble Freckle Pen by Rudy. I'm just enhancing that guy tonight. I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Use this Huda Beauty sponge or puff, grabbing some of the powder. I already pat down to make sure I wasn't creased, and I'm just gonna pat down. I'm not gonna bake. Going back in with the Huda bronzer just a little, just to kind of bring back some color. This Hourglass Ambient Luminous Blush. Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. This Refined Brow Tint in the shade Deep Brown to add some color back. Makeup Forever Dimensional Dark Brown. Hourglass Instant Extension Mascara. A little of the Hourglass blush that I used on my cheeks, on my lids. A little bit of this Benefit Cookie Highlighter on the tip of my nose. Brush on the inner corners of my eye. Cupid's Bow. It's Lancome Natural Mauve. This Clarins Lip Oil in the shade Raspberry. That is it.